This is a PlayStation 3 remote controller that I just got from Walmart. It was pretty cheap, only like 15 bucks. Let me see what we got here. Alright. So I said only like 15 bucks. That's like 13. Not sure if you can see that. Yeah, here you go. It's a Arsenal gaming PSD controller. I tested out the buttons already. They seem actually pretty well. They are firm, fast. Has this kind of like rubbery feel because it's rubberized. Feels really good. So here it is. Also comes with a connector to synchronize the PS2 controller with the PS3 system. As you can see, the buttons sound pretty good. And here's it to my regular PS2 controller. They look about the same size. Alright. If you like this video, rate and comment on the bottom and subscribe. Later.